Hello everyone, a warm good afternoon to all of you. My name is Tapas Kumar Pradhan and I would like to welcome to all of you to this session of the YouTube channel. So in this session we will discuss few of the important questions which can be asked in your examination. All type of examination related to political science. So be ready with that. Without delay, let's start our discussion. Okay. So as you can see in the screen, that first question in front of you, who is the founder of the phenomenological method? Okay, phenomenological method. Answer is like here the Friedrich Hegel. So, okay, so answer is like 2. Okay, 2 is the answer, option 2 is our answer, and this is the basically the phenomenological method used by Hegel. Okay, moving forward. So next question is like who is known for the theory of the communicative action? Okay, theory of communicative action. Herbert Marcuse. Option A. Option 2 John Paul Sartre. Option C. Option 3 George Habermas. And option 4 is like David Hume. So answer is like option 3 George Habermas. Okay, the theory of communicative action. Okay, so theory of community action, George Habermas. The answer like option 3. Okay. So do remember George Habermas also related to as a, the one who said as a last Marxist. Okay. Then next question, that who developed the concept of ideological state apparatus? Okay. So ideological state apparatus concept. So by Engels, option 1, 2 Harvey, option 3 Louis Althusser, option 4 Bakunin. So Louis Althusser gave the concept ideological state apparatus. Okay, and your homework, that what is ideological state apparatus, do google it. Okay, do google it. Okay, so then next question, who is associated with the concept of power elite? Okay, okay, so concept of power elite, so it is option 1 Pareto, option 2 Mosca, option 3 Schumpeter, and option 4 Sirito Mill. Okay, option 4 is our answer, that Sirito Mill, the concept of power elite, and he talks about how many elites? Three type of elites. Okay, there are three type of elites. Okay, so three type of elites in the USA. One is business man, then the military, and the political elites. Okay, how many elites? Three type of elites. Okay, then moving forward. Next question, who among the following is not a thinker of classical realism? Okay, classical realism. Kenneth Walsh, option 1, option 2 Machiavelli, option 3 Thucydides, option 4 Morgenthau. So Kenneth Walsh is answer. As we know, Kenneth Walsh belong to the new realism. Okay, new realism. Okay, next question, who advocated the rational choice realism? Okay, very important, rational choice realism. Option 1 Rousseau, option 2 Mortimer, option 3 Crancher, and option 4 Scheller. So you can eliminate the realism. Rousseau is not related to. Okay, okay, so here the this 4 option is also not related to. John Mortimer, it will be the appropriate answer. Okay, and you can also comment in the comment section that what will be also answer of it. Okay, but so far my knowledge, rational choice realism is Mortimer. Okay, next question, you can mark it also. Okay, next question, who of the following not associated with the functionalism? Okay, who is not associated with the functionalism? Karl Marx, Emile Durkheim, option 3 Talcott Parson, and option 4 Robert Merton. Okay, so not associated with the functionalism. Okay, so what will be the answer here? Okay, so what will be the answer here? So Karl Marx, as we all also know that he one belonged to the idea of the socialism. Okay, Emile Durkheim, Talcott Parson, Robert Merton, they all are related to functionalism, but Karl Marx is not associated with the functionalism. So okay, so answer is like what? Answer is like your A. Okay, A is the answer. Okay, A is the A or 1 is our answer. Okay, answer is like 1. Okay, getting my point? Okay, 1 is the answer. Next, who argue that the science can never basically prove things to be true, it can prove them to be false. Okay, so science can never prove this thing to be true, but it can prove them to be false. Option 1 LT Hobhouse, option 2 Karl Popper, option 3 Thomas Kuhn, and option 4 Francis Fanon. So what is the answer? Okay, so the answer of this question is like Karl Popper. Okay, do remember Karl Popper. Karl Popper said that science can never prove this thing to be true, but it can be prove them to be false. Okay. Next question, question number 11. Who coined the term historicism? So it will be the answer. Okay. So option 3 is our answer. That is how the Schlegel. Okay. Option 3 is the answer. That historicism is coined by Schlegel. Okay. Schlegel, not the Herodotus. Okay. Do remember that thing. Then question number 12, that who among the following argue women's value are world politics and ecologic needs. Okay, women's value are world politics and the ecology needs. Okay, so what will the answer here, the question number 12? So the answer is like cultural feminist. Okay, so cultural feminist is the answer, that they talks about world value are the women's value are world politics and ecology needs. Okay, that talks about that cultural aspect here. Okay, environmental cultural aspect. Okay, the next question, who applied social constructivism to study the international relation? Okay, social constructivism to study the international relation, it is the Alexander Wendt. Okay, option 2 is answers. Which of the following is not discussed by Wallerstein world system analysis? Okay, so it is a core, 2 semi periphery and 3 semi periphery, but outer periphery is not. Okay, 4 is our answer. Very very important questions, an easy question also. Who coined the term positivism to denote the rejection of the value judgment in social science? Very important question, an easy question. It is the Auguste Comte. Okay, option 4 is our answer. Auguste Comte. Auguste Comte. Okay, next, match of the following question, Bertrand Russell, okay, Robert Nozick, Thomas Hobbes, John Rawls. Then here, value of philosophy. Okay, then anarchy state in utopia. Okay, theory of justice and Leviathan. So Bertrand Russell, you can match here the value of philosophy, Robert Nozick, anarchy state in utopia. Okay, the book written in the year of 1974. Okay, then Thomas Hobbes, Leviathan. Okay, John Rawls, theory of justice. Okay, so 1 first, B third. Okay, and C fourth and D third. Okay, so this will be the our answer. Okay, so 3 is our answers. Very very important question and easy question also. Next, similar question, Jacques Derrida, Lyotard, David Stone and Karl Marx. Okay, behavioralism of grammatology, postmodern condition and dialectical materialism. Okay, so Derrida related to the book Grammatology of Grammatology. Lyotard, Lyotard related to the concept or book the postmodern condition. Okay, David Heston belongs to the basically behavioralism school. Okay, Karl Marx dialectical materialism. So answer is like here you can see the 2 then 3 sorry, the 2 the 3 then first and fourth. Okay, 2 3 first and fourth, so answer is like 3. Okay, answer is 3. Very important and easy question also. Okay, then moving forward, similar line question, Plato, Aristotle, Mosca and Nye, Joseph Nye. Okay, ruling class, philosopher king, metaphysics and soft power. So Plato is philosopher king, Aristotle metaphysics. Okay, Mosca ruling class and Joseph Nye soft power. So accordingly you can basically choose a code. So 2 then 3 then first and fourth. Okay, 2 3 first and fourth, so the option 1 is our answer. Very very important easy question. Okay, then similar line question, Samir Amin, Chomsky, A.G. Frank and Kehone. Okay, world order and old and new. Okay, capitalism in age of globalization, after hegemony, cooperation and discord in world political economy, capitalism and underdevelopment Latin America. So you can match very easy way. Okay, so AG Frank, the basically capitalism and underdevelopment in Latin America, Robert Kehno after hegemony, okay, then Samir Ramini capitalism in age of the globalization, and Chomsky world order old and new. So two first, then fourth and third. Okay, two first, fourth and third. Okay, so answer is like two. Okay, option two is our answer. Very important and a both easy question. Okay, similar line questions. Samuel P. Huntington, Francis Fukuyama, S.S. Strange, and E. Gellner. Okay, nation and nationalism, state and market, class of civilization, and end of history. Huntington, class of civilization. All of us know that. Fukuyama, end of history. Okay, and S.S. Strange, state and market. Okay, then Gellner, nation and nationalism. Okay, very good question it is. Okay, so three, then four, then the second, then the first. Okay, three, fourth, then basically second and first. So very nice question. Okay, four question, four, option four is answer. Okay, next, arrange the following text in the right chronology. The Prince by whom? Machiavelli. Okay, then the state of war. Okay, the state of war, then the Peloponnesian war, Thucydides, and politics among nations. Okay, first Thucydides, as you all know. Okay, so that you can eliminate this option. Okay, and uh, the Peloponnesian War. Then last your politics of Vesical Nation, because it was by Morgenthau. Okay, it is by whom? By Morgenthau. Okay, by Morgenthau. Okay, so answer of this question is option 2. Okay, option 2 is our answer. Okay, so first you can see the Peloponnesian War, then the Prince, then the state of war, B, then the politics of a nation. And your homework, that do tell me who is the author of the state of war. Okay, it's your homework. Okay, okay, so this is how the thing. Okay, this is how the basically you have to do this homework. Okay, and this is all about from my side for today lecture, and that for this important 21 question. Okay, that you have must go through it and revision do it. Okay, and this is all about from our side, and do learn and do try to share with your friend, because it will be also helpful them. Okay, thank you so much for watching our video, and have a nice day. Thank you guys, have a nice day.